This is by far the easiest AI marketing method I have ever seen. What's up, everyone? My name is James, and today I want to show you how to make money with the free version of ChatGPT. So what you need to know is you don't need any prior experience with either marketing or artificial intelligence for this to work for you. In fact, AI only plays a very small role in this process. It's not complicated at all. So before we get started, this training assumes a few things. It assumes, first of all, that you are okay with AI earning money for you. A lot of people aren't, so just want to get that out of the way. You also need to understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is actually going to take a little bit of time, both to set up and to continue working. So this also assumes that you're willing to spend at least 15 minutes per day posting to social media. If you're not, this frankly just won't work for you. You're also going to need to repeat this process and stay consistent every single day if you want this to work. And of course, this training also assumes that you aren't a complete moron. So if that doesn't describe you, then this probably won't help. But I want to ask you, before we go any further, if all I showed you in this video was how to create a month's worth of content in less than 1 hour, would that be worth your time? If you can make me one small promise, I guarantee that this free training will increase your content production by 10x or more. I also guarantee it's going to get new eyes on your business every single day. I can guarantee it's going to lower the cost of your content creation process. It's also going to show you how to turn AI content into monthly recurring revenue, aka cash money. So the goal is to revolutionize the way you think about making money online. So right now, I want you to promise me that you're going to silence your phone, close social media, turn off your TV, and click the full screen icon on this video, because your business and the family that it supports deserve your full attention. I want you to know there's no fluff in this presentation. The video may not be all that exciting, but if you implement what I'm going to show you here, I assure you the results you get will be very exciting. So real quick, why should you listen to me? Well, over the past couple years, people have paid me tens of thousands of dollars for the information I'm going to reveal in this video. And most importantly, made more money than they spent with me. So there's a few reviews here, but this isn't about me. This is about getting you up and running. So I want to get to the point. How does this actually work? Here's the basic process. The first step is finding something to promote. And if you need help with that, you could check out softwaresponsors.com. Softwaresponsors.com is going to connect you with a list of companies that are looking for people to promote their product. In other words, they want you to share a link to their product on social media or your blog or however you do it, and you can earn money every time someone buys something through that link. So if you need somewhere to start, check out softwaresponsors.com. The next thing you're going to need to do is set up a basic landing page and an automated email sequence. This is what's going to actually sell the products for you, is the automated email sequence. And I'm going to show you how to set that up with AI very shortly. So then the next step is just driving traffic to the landing page. And of course, you could do that using ads, you could do it using social media marketing, or good old-fashioned SEO. So obviously SEO is going to be the slowest of those options, but all of them and any of them will work. So then the next step is to just sit back and collect the profits that AI generates for you. So this works because AI and automation are a billion times more accurate than you. They're faster than you, and they have access to vastly more information than you do. And if you don't believe me, just try and go beat the computer at chess. Put it on the hardest setting and come back to this video when you beat the computer. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what we're working with here. So what I want you to understand is you could set this system up with one click. It sounds crazy, but I assure you if you stick with me through this video, it'll make a lot more sense soon. So what is the catch? Well, there are a few. First of all, this requires you to admit that there might be a better way to do things than the way you're currently doing it. If you can't admit that, this definitely won't work for you. This also won't work for you if you just watch the video and don't take action. And finally, you cannot unsee what I'm about to show you. So if AI making money on the internet makes you uncomfortable, now is the time to tune out. So I want you to understand this is not a sales presentation. If you still have questions after the video, there'll be a link to contact me. But I'm sure that once you see the next few minutes of this video, it'll make complete sense to you. So here's what you need to get started. You probably already have this stuff already, but if not, click the link below this video because I'm going to give you the tools you need for free. So here's what you need. You need a website builder and a CRM software. That's what's going to create your landing page and send the automated emails. You need a YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram account. Yes, you will need all four if you don't have an ad budget and you want to do this for free. You'll need an AI writing tool. Obviously, I use the free version of ChatGPT. Anyone can sign up. You can go sign up for it right now. And you'll need an AI video creation tool. That's, again, assuming you're doing this for free. If not, an ad budget is the way to go. So you'll need one of those two things, an AI video creation tool or an ad budget. So there's absolutely no coding or complicated setup whatsoever. So let's go into a little bit more detail. Step 1. The first step is finding something to promote. Like I said, softwaresponsors.com has a free list of affiliate programs that you can sign up for and get started with this right now. So in case you're unaware, affiliate marketing means you get paid for sharing a link. That's it. You're selling someone else's product. You earn a commission of each sale. It could be anywhere from 5% of the sale up to 50. I've even seen 75 and 80% for some offers. It just depends on the offer. And many of these affiliate programs don't require you to buy anything, which means you can get started for free. It's not like an MLM or a pyramid scheme where you got to buy in and then sell it to other people. You could just get started with a lot of these for free. So a way to make this even better is to choose several relevant affiliate offers and then make a checklist of them so people are getting more than one of them at once, thus increasing your chance of making money. Step 2 is to create a landing page and an automated sequence. Pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video knows what a landing page is, and then obviously an automated sequence is just emails that go out automatically to the people who have opted into your landing page. So again, there's a free trial of the software I use on the checklist linked right below this video if you don't have a landing page builder and automated CRM. So your landing page should create curiosity. You want to get people excited about what you're offering. I like to use a headline such as how to get XYZ result, right? That's what they want without having to, and then I put a pain point. So for example, if we're talking about AI content, how to get all of your content created in one day without having to waste hundreds of dollars on a VA, right? That's an example of something you might put on a landing page. But the point is, this requires people to opt in order to access your offer. And that's important because if they don't opt in, we have no way to contact this person. Whereas if they do, again, we can set up the automated sequence that's going to follow up with them. So that's the final part of step 2, is to set up at least 7 days worth of automated messages. Now, more is better. You could do a month, or you could even do a full year of automated messages. I'm just trying to outline the basic process so that you understand what we are doing here. Step 3 is to drive traffic to the landing page. This is how people are actually going to get into your automated system. So by far the easiest way to do that is with paid ads. But I understand not everybody has an advertising budget, so in my opinion, the best free method is short form video. I'm sure you've seen how quickly videos can go viral on these different platforms like TikTok and YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, right? And again, that's why earlier in the video I said you need all 4 if you want to do this for free. So of course you can also drive traffic with social media posts, you can do DMs or cold calling, you can use old-fashioned SEO, you can use solo ads, banner ads, press releases. This is just a handful of ideas to get you started. It doesn't really matter how you get the traffic. The important thing is that once it's in there, the rest is automated and bots will sell your product for you. So here's how it works. Step 4, sit back, relax, and collect your AI-generated profits. Once you send the traffic, the rest is automated. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand here. So videos and SEO will increase traffic steadily over time. Out of the methods I've shown you, these 2 methods are going to accumulate views, whether it's on a video or a blog post. Views are going to increase over time, and so will your profits. So like I said before, ads are definitely the fastest way. But what you should understand is that this entire process happens automatically once someone opts in. And remember those 7 days worth of messages I told you to create, or 30 days worth of messages? You're going to create those using ChatGPT. So all you have to do is click a button over and over again to generate as many messages as you want. I mean, obviously you have to put in a prompt the first time, but you give it a prompt, you tell it what content to create, and then you just click that button over and over for as many pieces of content as you need. So if you're ready to turn what you've learned so far into money, I want to walk you through the process as an unsuspecting scroller. Someone just looking at their phone, just off in la la land, staring at their phone, swiping through videos. So here's what happens. They're scrolling through social media, and I want to point out that everyone does this daily, including your target audience. Even billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk admit to scrolling in their feed all the time. So everyone is looking at their device at some point in the day. So they're scrolling along, then they're disrupted by an engaging ad or video, depending on what you choose. But now they're curious. So then they're teased with what they want on your opt-in page, on your landing page. So because of that, they're going to give you their contact information so that they can access the offer that you are presenting them. So then once they do this, once they give you their contact info, they're going to receive 7 to 30 personalized emails, text messages, and voicemails. That's what I forgot to mention earlier. It's not just email. You could do this sequence with text messages or voicemail, which further explain the benefits. So then what happens is they eventually decide to buy the affiliate product, because instead of seeing it once, they've now seen it 7 to 30 times, depending on how many of these messages you set up. Again, this could be 365. It could be 1,000 messages if that's what you want to do. I'm just trying to get the basic concept across. So then what happens is you get money deposited into your bank account every single month when people buy these products. It couldn't be any simpler. So I want to show you what it looks like. Here's a visual of what this process looks like. Now, this represents a phone screen with a play button, so this is a short video, but this could be an ad. It doesn't have to be a video. Like I said, this could be an ad, it could be a blog post, a social media post, whatever. But the traffic comes to your opt-in, and then what happens is as soon as they opt in, they bounce over to your affiliate offer. And if they don't buy the first time, that's okay, because tomorrow they're going to get another message, and the next day another message, and the next day another message, for as many as you create using ChatGPT. So then it's going to send them back. So however many of these messages you create, that's how many times you're multiplying your chance of making a sale. And that's how AI and automation can literally sell your products for you. Because again, to generate each one of these messages, all we did was click a button and then copy and paste it into this system. So obviously you'll need to spend some time setting this system up in advance. It's not magic, right? You can't just will it into existence. You actually have to do something. So again, all of the tools you need are at AIcashplan.com. And obviously I can't teach you web design, copywriting, and automation all in this one video. The easiest way is to just have all of this done for you. And again, you can get that done at AIcashplan.com. So if you're stubborn, you can go watch all of the other videos on my YouTube channel and learn everything you need to know about this process. I've exposed it all. It's all there. But the thing is, that will take you an awfully long time. So I want you to stop for a second and think. How would your life change if you had all of this set up by the end of the week? Don't be one of those perpetual learners that never takes action. Do this now. Or better yet, just let me and my team do this for you. Now, I've given you this strategy for free because I already know it works. I've been doing it for months. So you could figure out all of this on your own, but the longer you wait, the more sales you miss. So I want to ask you, did I deliver on my promises? At the beginning of this video, I promised to 10x your content production, lower your content creation expenses, get new eyes on your business every single day, convert AI generated content into monthly recurring revenue, aka cash money, and revolutionize the way you think about making money. So in less than an hour, I've shown you how to make robots work for you and add money to your bank account every month just by clicking buttons. So I want you to imagine your life a year from now if you actually turn this on next week. What kind of difference would that make in your life if you had an automated system generating leads and closing sales for you on autopilot 24/7, 365? So again, all you need to do is get started right now. You can go watch the extended training, grab the free tools, or get this set up for you as soon as possible at AICashPlan.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more of this content in the future, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below. I hope you have a great day, and I wish you the best of luck with making money online.